Hello again. Oh, sorry that music's so loud. Copyright issues. Let me turn that off. Thanks, Harry Connick, though. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours, and I've been wearing the Withings smartwatch. And let's take a look at a workout summary on the watch and compare it to the Samsung Active 2. Yeah, let's do that. Shh. And here it is, the Withings Steel HR Sport. So years ago I reviewed the Steel HR, and now I'm on the Steel HR Sport. So yeah, it has that tiny little screen. The look of the watch is great. A lot of people say it kind of has a glass bubble. I'm not really agreeing with that. I think the design is great. I showed it to my mother-in-law and many other people, and they really like it. It has a classic look to it. So design, thumbs up Withings, thank you. And yes, if you haven't known about this watch before or watched any of my other videos, it comes from France. So while you're in a workout, if you press the button, you can switch to heart rate. You can go to miles, which doesn't really show anything right now. This is the other workout. And the heart rate's pretty accurate. The other day when I was doing a treadmill run, which I should be posting that video soon, I have to edit it. The heart rate took a while to adjust when I stopped running, which was kind of weird, whereas the Samsung watch, right away. So I actually showered with both these watches on. They're both waterproof. And the Samsung has a neat feature because it does have a microphone and a speaker port. So I'm going to turn off water mode. Water lock mode off, ejecting water. So no matter what mode you have the watch in, it's going to make that noise. And then you have to shake the water out. Anyway, so this is still in workout mode. Did some calisthenics this morning. And while you're in workout mode with the Samsung, you can play your music. You can see the time workout. Easily see your heart rate, calories. And that's about it. This is just a push-up one. So I'll just close this and finish. Are you ready to finish your workout? Sure. And then it quickly finishes my workout and gives me all that summary right there on the watch. Now regarding price point, yeah, this is the LTE version, and I think brand new out of the box, this one runs around $400. It might be less now, it's been out for a bit. You probably get for $300 on eBay. Whereas this one, brand new, shipped from France, yeah, $200. So now we'll stop this workout. Do a long press on the button, and you can either pause it, and then if you just click once, you can choose stop or resume. I'll choose stop. Another long press, and it stops the workout. You did it! Congratulations! You did it! Nice little gamification, and it gives you the time, and let's see if it scrolls. Okay, so that was it. So now it gives me all my stats. So battery life, so pros on this watch. Battery life is amazing. I'm at 60%, and that was working out for over an hour today. And I've done GPS and another workout. So working out GPS over 4 hours during my first 6 days. Let me count. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm on pretty much day 7 with the watch, and it's not even half empty. Pretty awesome. And it charges really quickly as well. I've been using the smart alarm to wake up in the morning, which is kind of cool. I'll show you that feature later. So that's that's working out with Withings. As far as the watch itself, so one really cool thing is it is very water resistant because there are no holes on the watch itself. It's completely sealed up like a submarine. So there's a little glamour shot there for you. It does take the 20 millimeter band. And I think I might try out the French leather band that they sent with it and do a review of that later. So it's a beautiful watch. At first I thought it was really small, almost too small. But after wearing it for a week, I rather like it. It's lightweight. It fits really well with my dress shirts and whatnot and long sleeve t-shirts. Whereas you saw that water mode on the Samsung, this one has holes in it. So right there, there's a microphone, and right there, there's a speaker, and there's one, actually that might be the microphone, and I think this is for altimeter climbing steps, which I have not climbed any stairs today. The other cool thing about Withings, always on display. Now there's no Indiglow. I really wish they would have added Indiglow to the face of the watch. So at night or when it's really dark, you can just click and the LCD comes up and it goes to the time by default. Whereas this watch does have always on display and a really bright, is it OLED screen? LED screen? Man, I should really know that. I've been wearing this watch for over a year. It has a really bright screen. So there we go. 47%. So in the same amount of time I've been wearing both of these watches for the last week, I've charged this one 3 times over the past 6 days, and I have not had to charge the Withings ones at all. So pretty awesome. Thank you, French watchmakers. A little known fact, Withings was actually purchased by Nokia, and then they bought themselves back. Interesting story. I'll have to look into that more. So there you go. Working out with 2 watches. Yes, I'm the man with 2 watches, and sometimes it's pretty weird. 45mm watch face, 40mm watch face. Well, that's it for now. Just want to do a short little workout summary video for both watches. And this is PHdigital. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Don't be shy. Share it with your friends on other social media platforms. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Could you share this on Snapchat? You know, I have never used Snapchat. Oh wait, that's incorrect. I used Snapchat once because I wanted to see what the kids were doing with it, and I wasn't impressed. I'm more of a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter kind of guy. Well, that's it for now. Time to get back to work, and have a great day. Goodbye.